Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful to you. So before we start our today's video, the only request to you is to like, share and subscribe our channel to support and motivate me so that I bring you still more better videos for you. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. So my dear students, let's take a quick revision of the work which we have done in our previous video. So we were actually studying uses of decomposition reactions. For example, in metallurgy, we use actually these decomposition reactions to extract metals from their ores. For example, we had studied that by electrolysis, for example, we extract metal like sodium from its compound sodium chloride. Similarly, from aluminium oxide, we extract aluminium metal, and hydrogen and oxygen can also be actually decomposed using this electrolysis. So this use we had done in our previous video. Secondly, it is also actually these actually digestion of a food also takes place due to these decomposition reactions, in which actually I had told you that the actually starch which is contained in our what we say in food grains, so that is decomposed or broken down into actually glucose. So that is, and proteins are decomposed into amino acids. So digestion also there is use of decomposition reactions. And thirdly, we had studied that in actually black and white photography. So decomposition reaction by actually light is used, where actually silver bromide that was exposed to silver to sunlight to light, and that is exposed that is actually decomposed into silver. So because silver bromide is actually very highly sensitive to light, therefore this is used in our actually what we say in black and white photography. So this we had actually done in our previous video. So my dear students, we were actually studying types of chemical reactions, and two types of chemical reactions we had so far studied. Number one was combination reactions, and second was decomposition reactions. My dear students, if you actually understand this concept of actually these types of chemical reactions, so I'm sure that your interest in chemistry will also actually rise, and your learning and understanding of chemistry will also actually increase. So my dear students, attend the class attentively and actively. So now the third type of chemical reactions which we have are actually what we say displacement reactions. But before we study displacement reactions, it is very important to understand reactivity series. Without reactivity series, we can't actually understand or we study decomposition reactions. So if you understand this concept, that is, if you learn this table of reactivity series, then that will prove very helpful you in later class to understand later chapters also. So, and your understanding of chemistry will be better, and you will definitely start taking interest also in studying chemistry. So I'm telling you that how to actually remember. Let me introduce you with actually displacement reactions. So in displacement reactions, actually what happens? that the more reactive substance uh, or element displaces less reactive element uh, and takes its position. Once again, I'm telling, in displacement reactions, what happens that the more reactive element displaces less reactive element and takes its position. So this is the definition of actually displacement reactions. But now whether reaction will take place or not take place, so that will actually determined by actually if we know the which element is more reactive, then we can understand that this reaction will take place or not. So for that we must know the reactivity series. So I will tell you what is reactivity series and how to remember reactivity series. So my dear students, uh, for example, what actually metals come in reactivity series. The metals coming in reactivity series are potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, silver, and gold. And we, as we go down the, this is series actually, series. This is series called reactivity series. And as we go down this series, the reactivity decreases. The reactivity of these elements or metals decreases. So we have to actually learn the method how to remember this the elements of this reactivity series. So once again I am repeating which actually metals come in this reactivity series: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, silver, and gold. So these are the metals actually coming in this reactivity series. And as we go down the series, so reactivity decreases. Now my dear students, there is a sentence of English which you can actually learn to learn this reactivity series. The sentence is, please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. I am again repeating. Please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. So you have to understand that how we will use this. Please stands for potassium. My dear students, you will actually write this as it is 10 times, 20 times, 50 times. You have to do practice to learn this series. So without practice, nothing comes actually. So do practice and learn this. So please stands for potassium, stop for sodium, Colin for calcium, me for magnesium, A for aluminium, careless. Yes, here also this is carbon is non-metal actually. Non-metals are also actually included in this series. So I will tell you. So careless stands for carbon. Carbon is non-metal. Zebra for zinc, instead for iron, try for tin, learning for lead, how for hydrogen, copper for copper, saves for silver, gold for gold. So this is actually a sentence. You have to learn this sentence. You have to practice this sentence so that you actually learn this sentence. This sentence gets learned to you. Please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. So you have to write this sentence 10 times, 20 times, 50 times so that it gets learned to you. And then you will actually use, you will write the names of these actually what we say, these metals, and then you will adjust these accordingly. So I hope that you understood this. Now there is also a sentence in Hindi to actually remember this the metals of this series. And what is the sentence? केदारनाथ का माली आलू जरा फीके पकाता है. I am repeating once again. केदारनाथ का माली आलू जरा फीके पकाता है. And copper, silver, gold, as it is you have to learn. You have to learn them as it is. Copper, silver, gold. So Kedar, then what happens? Here when you write learn this in Hindi sentence, this in Hindi, then you will write the names of these these metals in their symbolic form. Once again I am telling you that when you learn this sentence, to remember this series, then you will write the names of the metals in the form of their symbols. You will not write potassium, you will write K. K stands for potassium. So K stands for potassium, Na stands for sodium, Ca stands for calcium, Mg stands for magnesium, Al stands for aluminium. Here in Hindi sentence carbon is not included. Zinc, Zn stands for zinc, Fe stands for iron, Pb, tin is not included. Remember in Hindi tin is not included. Pb for lead, H for hydrogen, and copper, silver, gold you have to remember as it is. So K, how to learn K? Potassium, Kedar, Na, Nath, Ca, Ka, Mali, magnesium, Alu, aluminium, Zara, zinc, Fike, Fe, Pakata, Pb, hair, hydrogen, and copper, silver, gold as it is you have to remember. You can write here copper, you can write Cu, silver Ag, and gold Au as it is. You have to remember this. There is no actually Hindi word for them in our reactivities series in this sentence. So I hope that you can either use this way to learn or you can use this way to learn. In Hindi also you can actually learn this. And for those students who don't know Hindi actually, so for them this is the way to learn. And those who know Hindi, so for them this is okay. So my dear students, again this is the way to remember reactivity series, and you will practice this, and you will practice in this way so that in seconds you must be able to produce this series as it is. The practice should be such so that in seconds you must be able to produce this. So, and here let me tell you, as we go down the series, reactivity decreases. It means that potassium is the most reactive metal and gold is the least reactive metal here. So most reactive is potassium, most reactive, and least reactive is this gold. So my dear students, I think that you understood what I have taught you today. So this is very, very important actually. Without learning this and understanding this series, we can't actually move further to study actually displacement reactions. Because in understanding displacement reaction, the knowledge of reactivity series is must. So please remember this, practice this, and in next video we will take actually displacement reactions, and then you will actually enjoy also the study of these reactions, and you will also, your interest in chemistry will also increase. I am sure of this. So this is all for today. So my dear students, if you have any doubt regarding the topic which I have taught today, so you can write in comment box. And uh, if you like our today's video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. So thank you very much for watching today's video. See you in our next new video. So till then, good luck, stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.